Hey, I'm with SEC Inspection Services. Today I'm doing an inspection in Clearwater, Florida, where I'm taking a look at the air conditioning system. This is an HVAC system, whether it has an air handler on the inside and a condensing unit on the outside. This unit is really working really well, especially for its age. The temperature going into the system and going out, I'm getting readings at 19 degrees, which is almost perfect, or pretty much perfect. I can tell that this is painted over, but I can see a date that this unit is 20 years old. At 20 years old, it's definitely at the end of its life expectancy. We'll make note of that, and we'll let the client know that it's at the end of its life and it is running well today. But they should be prepared to update this at any time.